Alright everybody, I ordered on eBay the soft fruit attachment for the Greenstar, which is basically this knob, which is black. It's supposed to be better for juicing soft fruit. Oh, these are the same color. So I don't get these mixed up. I thought this one was green. Yeah, this one's a lot stiffer. This one's a lot softer. They look the same. Looks the same. I'm gonna try it, see what's the difference. Okay, we're gonna do some oranges. If this doesn't work, I'm going to juice these in my Breville. And I ordered a new blade for the Breville, so the Breville should be really doing a good job as far as making fresh, organic juice. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do something special for you guys today. I know I've done orange juice for you guys before. You guys have seen orange juice. But this is a Dan the Man Life Regenerator recipe. Is the camera crooked? No, I think it's okay. This is a Dan the Man Life Regenerator recipe where I'm going to be adding ginger and turmeric to my orange juice. And this is going to be my breakfast. It's 11:14 in the morning. It's almost afternoon, and I haven't had any breakfast yet. I just made 6 juices for Robert Silverstein, and that took me 2 hours. And I'm not really feeling too hungry because you know what? I'm lying. I did sip on. I had a little bit of extra left over from one of his juices, and I poured that into a separate mason glass jar. I think I did it on camera. Not here. But so anyways, I did that, and then I drank maybe like 8 ounces of a juice. So I do feel I feel okay. I'm not really hungry. I'm feeling a little bit. I want something. I'm craving a little bit of something. And you guys know orange juice is my absolute favorite. People ask me all the time in the Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead juicing support group. People are like, what's your favorite juice? And people come up with these complicated beets and carrots and ginger and fennel. And I love all those juices myself. But when it really gets down to it, what's my all-time favorite juice? It's just orange juice. I love orange juice. Yeah. So, and what it reminds me of is the Orange Julius that they used to have in every single mall across the country. They don't have those anymore. Orange Julius, I miss those. Of course, I remember when they would make them, I think they would put like some weird powder in it. It was not a natural orange juice. Ooh, that reminds me when my nephew was here visiting for a week. I think it was over the Christmas break, my nephew Raymond. What I did was I mixed orange juice with bananas. I blended up some bananas in a blender and mixed that with orange juice. Oh, so good. When I end my juice fast, that was 3 oranges. When I end my juice fast, I'm going after that. And you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh out how much I'm using on this orange juice. So this is orange number 4. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 4. Let's weigh them out. I'm really liking the scale. Tear it out. It doesn't work when your fingers are wet. My fingers are wet. Can somebody come and tear this out for me that has dry fingers? Push the tear button. Push it. Let go. Just push it once and let go. Tear it. Okay, so that's 0. What's that? It's not tearing.
Oops. You do it?
No. There we go. Okay. Alright. So we got 1 orange, 216 grams with a half orange, 2 oranges, 432, 3 oranges, 708, 3.5, 4 oranges, 910 grams. And keep on going. And I'm getting in a rush here, probably because I'm hungry. Slow it down, slow it down. My brother, he uses a potato peeler to peel all his fruits, and he does an awesome job at that. I gotta get me a potato peeler like his, take a potato peeling class, and learn how to do that. Learn the ways of the samurai. I just got a message this morning from Scott Beck Sr. On the Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead Juicy Support Group. He made himself this breakfast this morning. He made himself orange juice, and he gave a little tribute to me, a little shout out to me. He said he was taking a page out of my book, and I appreciate that, Scott. They say that, what is it, imitation is the best form of flattery. And so by you making that juice, orange juice for your breakfast, I am flattered. Thank you for that. We got 1 kilogram, 113 grams. So 1,113 grams. And that was, what, 5? 5 oranges? We'll do another one. These are pretty big oranges. I'm a little bit nervous that this is not going to work in the Greenstar. Greenstar doesn't do a good job at doing oranges. You got to use the Breville. A little bit nervous to waste especially since I have it all weighed out. Oh well, let's get this show on the road. I'm digging this scale. I'm digging weighing out. I'm gonna start weighing out everything. All right, that's 1 kilogram, 293 grams, so 1,293 grams. And let's try it out. Let's see what we got here. Get rid of this. Threw out the remainder compost from the other juices. The remainder pulp into my compost. And let's see. Cross your fingers for me, guys. See how this happens. See how this works. Okay, I'm getting some orange juice already. Alright. We're getting orange juice. Getting orange juice. We're getting orange juice out of the Greenstar. I'm loving it. So that was 6 oranges. They were rather large oranges. Oh. Yes, it's a success. The soft fruit knob. I think it cost like $22 on eBay. But it was, oh, it's so worth it. Oh yeah, I'm excited. I've never been able to juice oranges in my Greenstar. Oh man, whole new ball game. Whole new ball game. Oh, this is awesome, you guys. You guys don't even... Guys! Do you guys know how awesome this is? The kids are laughing because I'm copying Mommy Tang. Guys. Oh, Sylvia, you gotta come check this out. Come here. This is awesome. Oh, wow. Wow.
What?
It's doing the orange juice.
Oh.
Look at that.
And no problem.
With no problem. Like a champ. Champion.
That's cool.
Grab the camera and shoot on the oranges. Oh, yeah. Look at the pulp. Look at the orange pulp. Oh. I'm almost ready to dump here, huh? Nice, huh? No mess? Mm-hmm. What was happening before is this whole chute would get full of pulp that it would get backed up and it would start filling up right here and it would come out all icky and yucky and, you know, just disgusting. Good. Just disgusting. But this is a whole new world. Woo!
Cool.
And I'm going to do some ginger and some turmeric. How much ginger? I don't know about that much.
Is that good, babe?
Yeah. And then how much turmeric? I don't know about... I'm going to use this whole thing of turmeric. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so glad I paid $22 for that knob. I've never, ever had orange juice out of my Greenstar. Always had to use the Breville. The Breville tends to oxidize it a little bit more. It gets all foamy, but I like the foam. I like the foam. I'm not even going to filter this. No, no sir. No filter. Let's see how much we have. I'm almost done. Phone call. The only thing is you gotta keep the knobs separate because they look almost exactly alike. I thought they were supposed to be different colors. Let's see how much juice that made. That's right about there. That's right. That's good. So 6 oranges. Make sure I get a dry finger here. Tear this out again. Oh, there we go. Doesn't need to be teared. Ginger. 13 grams of ginger. 21 grams of turmeric. I should do one more orange to sort of flesh out that ginger and that turmeric. So six oranges would work. 6 oranges is going to work. But I'm so excited. I'm so hungry right now. I'm going to do 7 oranges. And a lot of people are going to say, isn't that a lot of sugar? Yeah, it's a lot of sugar. But it's the good kind, the healthy kind. Kind that comes straight from nature, not that refined white sugar with crap chemicals. I don't know what they put in sugar. They refine it. It's highly processed, just like high fructose corn syrup. Is corn good for you? Yeah, you bet your butt corn is good for you. Corn is delicious vegetable, or is it a grain? Corn is a grain, huh? Corn is delicious, it's healthy for you. But when they highly process it, and they take out all the good stuff, and they just get the that's how they make high fructose corn syrup, is by processing corn, then it's no longer good for you. I do need to tear this again. So we're going to add 202.5 grams of one more orange. So 7 oranges, 202. Somebody was adding it up. I think it was 1,200 and something plus 200. So about 1,400, 1,500 grams of orange. Oh yeah, I'm excited. I'm a juicy fool this morning. 2.5 hours straight, juicy. But that's my job. That's what I'm here for. Look at that turmeric. Woo. Really, a great tip that I learned from Dan the Man was he said to the turmeric is orange and it'll stain the gears in there in your Greenstar. He says the best thing to do is to juice the turmeric early on. Oh, it's getting kind of lumpy. I saw some lumps in there. That's probably the ginger and the turmeric. So I am going to filter this. My spoon. I didn't want to filter it, but since I did do the lump, the ginger and the turmeric, and it looks like it's got some pretty good lumps in there, that's the only reason why I'm filtering this. Otherwise, I mean, I love pulp. I love the pulp to orange juice. Matter of fact, when I used to buy orange juice from the market, I would always buy the the high pulp. You know, they have the no pulp, low pulp, medium pulp, and then they have lots of pulp. I would always get the lots of pulp. 'Cause to me, pulp is the best. Pulp out of orange juice is the best part. So if this didn't have the ginger and the turmeric, I would, you know what? So much for that, huh? All this talk about pulp got me excited. Alright, so that's orange juice, ginger, and turmeric. Powerful medicinal anti-inflammatory properties of ginger and turmeric. And I've got just a tad more than 32 ounces. That's going to overflow, so I'm not going to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you orange juice, juiced fresh out of the Greenstar juicer. Oh. Welcome to sunshine. Oh, so good. You know what, Portia? Can you take me a picture of this? I'm going to post this on the Juicy support group. Take it on my phone. Here you go. This is my breakfast. Cheers to your guys' health.